Okay, so it's Balisong cleaning day, so I might as well give you a rundown of my Balisong collection. First is this cookery style Balisong made by Sir Danilo Tempra. It's got a cookery profile with imported wooden scales and the brass housing. It's very sharp. I actually cut myself cleaning these blades. The next one is also from Sir Danilo Tempra. I had it custom made from a Damascus billet that I ordered. This one is very sturdy because you see that the housing is made of very thick brass. And this also has hardwood scales, also considered as 29. By the way, all of these are size 29 all the way to the slim. Then we have the smaller balisongs. This one is the 40 cm, which I'll explain later. Okay, this one, the blade profile is the traditional labaha, but it's got carvings on its gulugod. It's made by Sir Abet de la Peña of Abest, brass housing and kamagong wood scales. Next, we have this Chris profile balisong. It's also very sharp, but only on this edge. This side is a bit dull. It's made by Mauro Lopez, Rosauro Lopez from Batangas, with using carabao horn for scales, brass housing as well. Next, we have again another special custom balisong from Sir Mauro. It's kind of different. It's got these carvings on the side. Again, using carabao horn scales. Another 29. Next, this one is actually one of my favorites. It's a Kampilan blade profile. It's got that notch at the end, and this is made from horse bone. I believe it was made from the Almazan Bali house. Next, we have another special custom. I'm not sure. I think this is Uhas Tare, the blade profile. Uhas Tare. But the special thing about this is it's made from cup bearing. So it has this canal. And the scales are, I think, kamagong, and they told me this is whalebone, but I'm not really sure what it is. So limahan. This is also called limahan, that I learned from Sir Mamay Batan, because it has 5 scales. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Limahan. Okay, next, I think this is from, I don't know where this came from. It's stainless steel. I think this is the debuyod profile of blade with stainless steel bolsters, and I'm not sure what the scales are. It looks like it's rendered from plastic to look like deer antlers. Okay, this one is from Maning. I think this one is also from Maning Handcrafted Balisong. This one is like a tanto, from Japan. The blade profile is pretty much called the tanto. It's got that notch here, and the good thing with the handle is it's made from albino carabao horn, so that's also something special, right? Okay, next, this one I bought myself from Batangas. I don't know who made it. It's an eagle balisong with the typical labaha profile, blade profile, and this kind of scale is called kalupkop. I think this is Nara wood with a brass kalupkop is what it's called. It's this particular piece of metal will strengthen the hold on the scales to the housing. So there you go. This is my only eagle balisong. You see that eagle profile right there? That's it. Okay. Next is this all not non-rust metal. This is stainless steel, and this is aluminum. You see, it's got that taal clip. I think this is made by Sir Antonio Capul. It's got those bleed holes and somewhat a serrated spine. It's very light, but it's some people like this really, actually, more than the heavy ones. No? This one is just an ordinary slim type 29 from Sir Jebsen Giron. It also has those bleed holes with some serration here. It's slim, but it's really nice, and it has the Nara wood scales. Okay, next one is I think this is from this was made by the late Boy Almazan, no? The typical labaha blade profile, and the scales are I think cow bone, but this kind of markings was invented by the late Sir Boy Almazan, and I think it's called Fire Tiger, if I'm not mistaken. So, but this is already smaller. This is already a 24 cm as opposed to the 29. Next is a small 20-inch ordinary balisong, also from Sir Jebsen Giron. It's very handy. It's very small, but handy. So it's also a good balisong. The next one is a balicomb. I don't know where this is made, but this was given to me by my daughter, actually, Iris. She thought it would be cool for me to bring this around as a comb. So it's also well made. Next is this very unique. They call it toothpick or ice pick balisong. It's made from pure brass, very, very slim, but very, very pointy. So it can also be a weapon or a tool for self-defense. It's very small, and you can just bring it around for your own self-protection if you need to. Last but not least is this all brass double-edged, but it's actually very blunt. Maybe it's just, you can just use this as a letter opener, but it's still, it's very cute, you know. All brass, it won't rust. And the last is this 40 centimeter massive ordinary balisong. It's pretty big, and it's made by also by Sir Jebsen Giron. So there you have it. These are my balisongs. Enjoy.